Here is a wonderful 2016 Chevrolet Camaro. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Meticulously engineered for power and control, the Camaro's muscle and agility is the stuff of legends. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. The opportunity to experience this much power and refinement could be yours every day. Drive the Camaro.